In case you didn't know, I ended up having to start a brand new TikTok page called Chrissy Cooks so that I can share my recipes, because TikTok was really like killing my vibes on here. By the way, I'm making bread, which is already posted on Chrissy Cooks. So if you want to see the recipe on how I make it and what it looks like as far as the crumb goes, please go and follow me there. Now, if you've ever struggled with making bread, I know I did for a very long time. I started following this creator called Lacey on here. She makes the best bread, and this is like a loose version of her recipe. I kind of like did my own thing, but anywho, you want your bread to be well hydrated or else it's going to be really, really tough. I didn't want to start over, and I don't know, I think I was just being really like, oh, I can do this, whatever. But I've seen so many people start over and be really successful at it. So I was like, you know what, it's worth it. So that's what I'm doing. Let's roast some garlic and rosemary. So we're going to do the first stretch and fold of our bread. So this is the first one. This is the bread oven that my sister bought for me for my birthday, and that's what we're gonna use to bake our bread in. Okay, it's time for our second stretch and fold. My hands are clean but wet. I've got my garlic and my rosemary, and I'm going to dump it into the, and then we're just gonna stretch, and we're gonna pinch, stretch. All right, so now we're going to turn our dough over and give it a fold, almost like the same way I like to do my sourdough. And there you have it. Off camera, I have my, here it is. Almost died. Proper stuff holding it. You guys completely missed it, but this bread almost sent me to my maker. Whatever, it was really intense. I'm a glutton for punishment, so of course I am going to pick it up with my bare my bare hands. So, do you guys see this? I cannot wait to cut it, but we gotta let it cool first. Like, pipe down, girl, pipe down, little mama. It's been well over hours. We're going to cut the bread. Oh, it's so crusty. Look at this. In here. Oh, I did that myself. Look. Top tier. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I guess I'll see you on here and Chrissy Cooks. Bye.